Chronicles Bird, break 3172. We are full. Good luck, everybody. Dice roll 11 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 here, 11 here. Packers up top, Niners at the bottom. 11 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. 10 and 11. 11 here, 11 here. Tom Hall up top. Kevin Hollingsworth at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Packers didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Chronicles Bird. Let's do it. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Man, Kevin nabbing the Steelers and the Niners. Good luck, everybody. Pickens, Algier, Burrow, Danny Gray, Bailey, Zappi, Quay Walker to 99, Sauce, and Tariq Woolen. This box beat out yesterday's. Let us hope. Drake London, Desmond Ritter, Jelani Woods, Wandale, Tyler Algier on the photogenic jersey to 199 for the Falcons. Christian McCaffrey to 99 for the Niners. Josh Allen, Prism Black, and Thibodeau. Brock Purdy for the Niners. Robinson, Christian Watson, Trayvon Walker. Trayvon, Tariq Woolen to 199. Flux, Trayvon, and Chris Olave for the Saints. Three packs left. Good luck. Brian Robinson. Kyler. Hutch. We got Redemp. Good luck. I will sweat it. K9. B-Rob and Tyler Algier. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Show me Purdy. Prism Black Signatures, card number 13, Jameson Williams for the Lions. Nice hit there for Detroit. Prism Black Signature, Lions, and Joey Yauke. Nice hit there, Joey. Welcome to Jumbos. Jameson Williams, Prism Black Signature on the redemption. 2 packs left. Good luck. Russell Wilson. Chris Olave. Kenneth Walker. Jahan Dotson. Sam Howell. Damian Pierce. Refractor. Malik and Easy E. Last pack of Magic. Good luck. Show me a big auto. Garrett Wilson, Desmond Ritter, Malik Jeremy Shockey for the Giants on the autograph. 13 out of 25, Giants to Tom Hall. Old school ticket. Jeremy Shockey to 25. Kyler Murray to 199 for the Cardinals. George Pickens, and Drake London. Quick recap. Kyler Murray to 199. Jeremy Shockey to 25. Pierce. J-Mo Prism Black. Purdy, Tariq, McCaffrey, Algier, and Quay Walker. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.